Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so in order to check to actually not check but change the screen timeout, we have to enter the settings and then find the option display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find the screen timeout, let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and after that you will be immediately notified right here that in my case, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.